Hello everyone. Ito namumblema si Paymoy. Gusto din niyang pumasok sa loob ng aquarium. Paymoy, this is Paymoy the cat. Her name is Paymoy. Seems she wants to go inside the aquarium to catch the small fishes. See? There's a school of fishes inside the aquarium. A playmate for Arwana, and later on become Arwana's food. Yan. Pagkain ni Arwana. Later on, Arwana will catch them one by one. Yeah. So cute. There's a school of fish inside the aquarium. And Paymoy want to catch them also. Paymoy, hi. Can you catch it? Can you? Paymoy try to catch the fishes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. That's Arwana's food. Arwana, are you not hungry? Probably tomorrow all the fishes will gone out. Arwana is going to catch them one by one tonight. How about you, Paymoy? 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 Problema ni Paymoy. Gusto niya mahuli niya yung mga isda. Yan. Hi, Arwana. Happy? Are you happy?